Unlock a new level of digital security for your online accounts by mastering the Microsoft Authenticator app. First, you'll need to download the Microsoft Authenticator app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app. You'll likely see a prompt to add your first account. Tap on the plus sign or the Add Account option, typically located at the bottom or top right of the screen. The app will then ask you what type of account you want to add. For most personal uses, select Personal Account or Other Account. You'll then be prompted to scan a QR code. This code is generated by the service you're trying to secure, usually found in their security settings under two-factor authentication. Alternatively, if a QR code isn't available, you can choose to enter code manually and input the provided secret key from the service. After successfully scanning the QR code or entering the key, your account will appear in the app, generating new codes every 30 seconds. These dynamic codes are what you'll use in conjunction with your password to log in, providing robust multi-factor authentication. You can repeat this process to add multiple accounts from various services within the same Authenticator app, centralizing your security. Remember, the Microsoft Authenticator app is a powerful tool to safeguard your digital life against unauthorized access. Embrace this extra layer of defense.